Yeah, good day designer, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can make a video advert on your Kinemaster using your smartphone, exactly like this.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Let's start with today's tutorial.
Diko Graphics, skills with creativity.
Yeah, good day guys. Welcome back to Diko Graphic Design Training. Today I want to share with you how you can make a video advert, restaurants video advert, or let me say food or cutting or video adverts on your Kinemaster using your Android smartphone or any kind of smartphone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into that. This is the Kinemaster interface. Let me use this opportunity to explain the Kinemaster as a beginner. How can you go about it? So this is a Kinemaster interface, and these are the features. These are my projects I've done on Kinemaster so far, as you can see. Then we have an access store where we can get some of the resources we really needed. We can follow the manufacturer of the app, and there are some recommended apps that work along with the Kinemaster that we can also have. That is recommended app. So when you look at the left corner, we have a tutorial and tips. Then we have supporting, where we can get some of the questions and where we can get the update and where we can set up our Kinemaster to change the look. So now to create any new project, you need to click on plus sign. So after getting this, then you select the kind of sizes you want. So I'm choosing 16:9. So as it is, the next thing I'm going to choose is to select the kind of background I really wanted to use. So I'm going with a black background, as you can see. So now having got this, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to, or instead of selecting this, let me just go to where the food is. Let me selecting food as a kind of a background I wanted to use. So let me go to where I have all the food installed. So let me check them. Not here. So you select your where you have what you want to. Yeah, I have it here. So I'm selecting it one after the other. So you just tap it, then you tap on the we have fried rice, then we still have salted meat. We have this. So now that we have that, then we can tap on we can click on the interior. So as you can see, this is it. Now what we are going to do next, we are going to we're going to our sticker. Let's go to clip graphic. So under the clip graphic, then we are going to select today's special. If you don't have it in your own, you see the clip graphic will not display unless you tap on any of these layer video clip. After tapping on it, then you can see the options pop up. Then you click on clip graphic. When you click on it, since I have it downloaded, then I want to select today's special. But if you don't have it downloaded, what can you do? Click on the asset store here. Then you must turn on your internet at this juncture. So then you come to modern and simple. Then you locate today's special here and you make it downloaded to your phone, if I may get it right. So we have it today's special here. Yes, so you can see when you tap on it, then this place that is fading will automatically bring a downloading options where you can install it. Immediately you install it, you go back and you can automatically see it here. Then I'm clicking on the today's special. Then we have a variety of template which I can select here. So I'm selecting this. Then you can actually see how it display. So I'm going to repeat the same thing to this one as well. Go to clip graphic, go to the today's special and select any of it. So I'm selecting this. So I'll go to the third one, click on clip graphic, click on today's special, then I will select the third one. So you can actually see. I will go to the last one, click on clip graphic, then click on today's special, then let me select the eighth one. So now, having got the whole thing, there's no any cause for alarm, just tap it one after the other. As you can see, we tap it one after the other. You see, since you tap it, then you can go there again to go and tap. You see, we have amala and ewedu. So you can actually see amala and ewedu. So you can actually see. So let's see how it look. Good choice, amala and ewedu. So now we'll go to the second one. You click on the clip graphic, then we tap on it, we select fried rice. Fried rice. As you can see, then you can look at it. Fried rice, delicious. Then we'll go to the third one, then we selected this. Then you can actually see it. Then we select assorted meat. Assorted meat. Assorted meat. So after that, we'll go to the fourth one. Then we select this. Then we have special. We have special ogunfe. We have special ogunfe. So can you see? Sorry. So now that we have this, we can actually change the color if we really wanted. So let's take it for instance. I've tap on this one, click on the clip graphic. Then you see here, you can change the color, how you want the color to be. Take it for instance, I want to change this color. So let's assume I move it to this side. I have to tap here, then select the color I really wanted. So let's assume I want to choose this color. Then let's look at it. Then you can actually see. So I want it to be more deeper than this, so or reddish than this. So let's assume I choose this. Go along, it's too much. So let me adjust a little bit. Let's look at it this way. Very cool. So amala and ewedu. Then I will go to the second one. I want the color to look like really go along with the food itself. So I'm going here, then moving this one a little bit. So let's look at it. Very good, very good. So I'm going to this place as well, tap on it, then I'm going to the color. So I'm trying at least to tap from this. So let it be something relating to this. So let's look at it. Very cool, very cool. Or let it be a deep green so that it can actually work. Let it be a deep green so you can actually see it. So let it be a deep green. So very good. So we are going to the last one. So the last one, I'm going to repeat the same process. So by going to this, then we have this. So let it be like this. Then let's look at it, how it look. So it has to be deeper than this. Move it a little bit. So let's see. It has to be deeper. Let's see. Very cool. So now that we've got all these things, the next thing we are still going to do is to go to the where we do our write-up. Then we click on art because we want to change what we want to change the font. We want to change our font. So you can select any kind of font that you really wanted here. I want to use Roboto Black. Let me see how Roboto Black will look like. Roboto Black. So let me see. Very good. So I'm changing all the fonts one after the other to Roboto Black. So I'm going there, change the Roboto Black. So click OK. So I'm going to the third one, click the same thing, assorted mid at, going to Roboto Black. I'm clicking, sorry, I'm not downloading any font. So click on Roboto Black and cancel. So we'll go to the last one, click on clip graphic, click on the special Ogunfe art, then select Roboto Black. So click OK. So you can actually see this one, everything has been changed. So let's look at it. Very good. So now that we have everything being changed, I'm thinking of adjusting the color of this. So let's adjust it so that the color will be able to show very well. So now we have this. So everything is actually plumb. We can now click on the, let's look at it. Let's look at it. After clicking on this, let's see how it works. We want to use a shake effect. This is transition effect. I want to use any of the transition effect to see whether you can actually work with it. So you can actually see, we'll go to the second one. So let's look at this. Very good. Let's look at the third one. Let's look at the third one. So now good. So let's play it and see how it look. Very good. Very good. Very good. So this is actually okay. This is okay. So now we can go there and add let's go to our sticker. So let's add what we call a fire flight. Fire flight. Is it the drop one, or this one, or the come out one? The drop one, come out one. I'm looking at the stay. So let's look at the stay. The stay should be okay. Or let's look at the drop one. The stay drop one should be okay. So now I'm going to draw it to the edge here. So after that, let's play it and see how it look. So you can actually see it. Very good. Very good. So now after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to add sang. So I'm going to going to the sang. So let me go to my own sang. So we have let's say we have this. I like this. So let's cut it. At this edge, you go to the trim to the right. Then let's play it and see how it look. So very good. So at this junction, the next thing that we can actually do to make everything okay, we can now go here, go to number, contact 07034660781. So we type the number, then we'll go to the font and choose the kind of font that we want. So I want this font. Then we can actually place the number here. We'll place the number here. So let's look at it. The number should be around here. Or better still, we can do like this, contact. So let it be like this. Then we increase the size. So after that, we go down under the text options. Then we can go and adjust. So the line should be adjusted and move to each other exactly like this. Very good. Now we've done with everything. Let's now play it and see how it looks. Very good. So this is how you can just make a kind of a product advert, or any kind of business advert on your Android smartphone, either shoe, bag, cloth, either any accessory, phone accessory. This is how you can just follow these steps and achieve this kind of design. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Let's go to our saving side. Then HD 720 by 30. Then we look at the sizes, so we can increase it for more to make it more clearer, or use HD for better still. So let it be 5%. Then we click OK. So thanks for watching. God bless you.